Hello guys, this is Wes from TechLink, and in this video I'm going to show you how to SEO an e-commerce product. So without wasting any time, we are going to go for e-commerce, and this is our WordPress e-commerce website, and this is the product. You can see the product, and this is the product that I have SEO, and you can see that readability is good and SEO is good. And now I'm going to tell you how I make this happen and how this is done. Now first of all, we are going to see that this is a Google search console, and this show you the how much traffic you are getting, and you can just sign in, enter the website link, and this is the website link, and just by doing so you are ready to view your traffic. And this is Google Analytics. This is basically for the traffic. You see that which country you are getting the traffic from, how many users are visiting your website, how many return visitors. This is the return visitor, and this is a purely new site, so I am doing the SEO of each product. And how I am doing it. So the question is how I am doing it. So basically this is the Google Ads keywords plug. The keywords is the main objective, because if you put the right keywords in your product or the right description, so it is easy for the people to find your product. Okay, so this is the keyword planner, and I have searched in the polo shirts for men, polo shirts online, half sleeves polo shirt, and multiple searches. So this is the result that Google gave me, that these are the people searching with these names on the Google. So I'm going to download this keywords ideas, and this is the Excel file I am getting, and this is the Excel file. Basically this tell you that keywords. Now what you are going to do, so you are going to find the best keywords for your product. Okay, so this is, I'm going to select it. This is the keyword that I want, polo shirt. This is the relevant keyword for my product. Polo t-shirt for men, this is the relevant keyword. So all the keywords that I marked, it's the best keywords for my search. So we are going for this, and this is the WordPress product. And you can see the first of all, I have on the title menu I have written that polo t-shirt for men. This is the polo t-shirt, and this is the permalink, and permalink is also the important part in SEO. If you put the right permalink, it is easy for the Google to recognize your product, that this is the best product for the item that someone searched it on the internet on Google. So basically on the description, the keywords that I find, now I am listing it on the description, the polo t-shirt for men, and these are all the description. So this description should be about 120 to 150 to 170 words, not more than that. It's best for you to just write for the 170 to 200 words. For this I wrote about this a particular about 127 words. So this is the Yoast plugin, and this is the Yoast plugin. This is the SEO Yoast plugin, and when you install it in the WordPress, you are going to get a bar like this. And basically what does it do, you don't have to code anything, you just have to write the description. The Yoast plugin automatically code it and send, and it will make it better for the Google to recognize it. So this is the your SEO title, and I have written on the SEO title polo shirt collection or stripe polo shirt collection. So this is relevant for my search. And focus keyword, I have written polo t-shirt collection. So everything is linking. My description is linking to my title, my description is also linking to my focus key phrase, readability index all my green. For SEO I do not use the transitions, just it's all right. If you can use the transition words, it's up to you. If you want to use a little transition words, it's up to you. It's not an issue that you are using less transition words or more transition words. Just your description should be clear and precise. So this is all the description I have written. This is the SEO Yoast. I have all the description in it. I also wrote in slug meta description. These are the things that are very important in SEO, because these things link to your description. And if you wrote the right description and right SEO title and right meta description, it's easy for you to, for the Google to recognize your content. Is okay. Now I'm going to update this. This is updated. This is updated, and we are going to go for all products, and you can see that this is the product that I SEO, and this is all good. So in this tutorial we have learned about how to SEO an e-commerce product and how to do it. Basically it's not easy, but it's not that much difficult that you cannot do it. It's in the middle. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like if you like my content. Thank you so much. Bye bye.